Hello and welcome back to another video. Got our 2007 Honda Odyssey Touring Edition, which has been depaxed for a long time. As things break, I fix them with a video. So today we're going to be talking about this. Ugh. So as you can see, these are leaking. They've been leaking and now they don't even work. Thankfully, the motor that pushes the door and pulls it is still working. So we've got to replace these. The main thing is when you run into this problem is don't try to run the power liftgate when your shocks are gone, because you will burn out the motor inside of there. Make sure you stop using the power and start doing it manually until you have a chance to replace these. All right, I went ahead and grabbed this stick here. What I'm gonna do is put it right in the door. There. So it's enough to hold it up. So now I can access the door. Okay, once again, we're gonna go with Max Pow. This is the SKU number. The main thing to note on these, and I'll leave a link to the product, but this is the one that has the power liftgate support. There's Max Pow that work for the Odysseys that don't have the power liftgate, and you wanna make sure you get the right one. So I'm gonna put a link to both. But in my other car, on the hood, I use the same thing. I've been very happy with this brand. Works very well. That's interesting. Notice there's already grease inside there, so you don't have to put any grease. This is heavy duty. All right, so there's our two units. Come in one box. Very inexpensive and worth the price. So now all we've got to do is figure out how to get these ones off. And I'll note that they go downward like this. Okay, what you're going to need to do this job is a screwdriver, as big as you can get it. For this next point, I'm going to enlist some help to help me run the camera.
Hi.
Just going to pry this out. Alright, it's out. There we go. Just make sure I got my weather stripping in here. This one is still pretty good, actually. It's not totally bad like the other one. Alright, so like the other one, I'm just going to pull on it and it comes right off. Take your new one, put it on there, hit it with a rubber mallet, just like that. Now for the final part, which is probably the hardest part, is I'm going to lift the gate off the weight again. Go. Now come over here. Over here. And let's turn this a little bit. All right, that's in there. Okay, now I'm gonna let go. Oh. So as you can see, one's completely gone, the other one's halfway working, but it's almost gone because it's been leaking. So there you have it. That was easy. Thanks for watching.